the next is table. Table tag is the main tag. Any table consists of a row. TR tag is used. The row contains a certain number of cells. TG tag is used for specifying data in a table, and the TH tag is used for placing headers in a cell. The table label can include several attributes. Align sets the location, width, table width, border. It's used to specify the border of the table, border color. The color of the table border, col span and row span are used to specify the number of rows or columns a cell should span. The table is the main tag. As you see, table border, the width is 80% and background color is yellow. We use TR tag to create a new row. In this row, by using of TD tag, we have two cells. In the first, we have a picture, and in the second is text. Here is second row with one cell, which is extended by col span tag. The cell contains ordered list. Frames. HTML frames are used to divide your browser window into multiple sections where each section can load a separate HTML document. A collection of frames in the browser window is known as a frame set. The window is divided into frames in a similar way that tables are organized, into rows and columns. General view of the frame. We use frame set to divide our page into 3 frames. The first one takes 30%, the next one takes 50%, and the last takes 20%. src attribute used to give the file name. Cols attribute specifies the number and size of columns, and rows attribute used to specify the rows in the frame set. Here you see frame set calls, so our page divided into 3 vertical frames. 2 of them are 30% each and the third is 40%. To create horizontal frames, we use rows attribute. Forms. A form is a component of a web page that has form controls such as text, buttons, and so on. These are attributes for creating the form. Type =, the text, creates the form of the input text. Type password for entering a password. Type radio creates a form with only one choice, and type checkbox for multiple choice. Type submit creates a button for sending, and type reset creates this button. When we write text area, we have large text, and select attribute creates a form with several options. Horizontal rule. The HR tag is an empty tag and it doesn't require an end tag. End tag attributes are width, size, align, no shade, and color. Here is the first form of the input text. In the next form with checkboxes, this is a red horizontal rule, and here you can see the text area.